Part 3, we are going to continue with statistics and focus on pictograms. You will find this on page 264 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, Y equals mx plus c to success. A pictogram. A pictogram is a variation of a bar chart using symbols or pictures to replace the solid bar. The pictogram illustrates, let's look at this example. The pictogram illustrates the number of drinks sold by a vending machine in 1 hour period. Now, usually a pictogram will have a scale. So you must first focus on the scale. So they will say, this cup represent, this one picture represent 12 cups. So if it's drawn in 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, it means that I must take 12 and I must divide it by 4. So that means one line is 3, this line is also 3, this line is also 3, and this line is also 3. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12. So basically, so if they give you just this part of the picture, it's just 3. If they give you half of the picture, it's 6. And if they give you 3/4 of the picture, it's 9. And then the full picture will represent 12 cups. Okay, so now, if I look at this, I see 1, 2, 3 full cups. So 3 times 12, that will be 36. But now, remember, one line is just 3. So it's 12 plus 3, and that will be 15. And then this one, remember, it's 1, 2, 3, so it's 3/4, so this is 9. So it's 12, 12 plus 12 plus 9, which will give me an answer of 33. And then these two lines will represent 6. So this will be 12 plus 12 plus 6, and that will give me a total of 30. So tea was 36 cups, coffee 15, soup 33, and chocolate 30. Okay, I think I want you to stop the video and I want you to try now for number 2. As soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Try now. And we start with number 2. So the pictogram indicates the number of cows slaughtered each day of the week. Now, as I said, always first focus on the scale. So a full picture, it's 40 cows. But now it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So basically, you must say 40 divided by 5, and that will be 8. So meaning that one line will represent 8. Okay, then 2 lines will represent 16. Then 3 lines will up to there. It will. Oh, it's the pen. It will be. I'm counting in 8s. So 8, 16, and then 24, and up to that line. Then I count again 8, so it's 32, and then the full picture will be 40. Okay, so if I say how many cows are slaughtered each day of the week. Okay, now let's start counting. Remember, a full one is 40, so it's actually 40, 40, 40, 40. So if I start and I say, then Monday, it's going to be 40 times 4, which will give me 160 cows. Okay, then I will go on to Tuesday. So Tuesday, but now be careful. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It seems to me what I did in this one, I was counting like this, but I see the picture is now drawn like this. So you have to still count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Luckily it's also 5. So I think what we're going to do, it's still divided by 5, but it's just this lines. So can I just show you? Up to there 8, up to there 16, up to there 32, 24 up to there 32 and then the full 140. So if it's now just drawn 1, 2, 3, so 3, so it will be 24, this will be 40, this will be 40, so it will be 2 times 40 plus the 24, and that will be 104 cows. Okay, and then the next one on Wednesday. Okay, let's take our color again. Okay, so luckily we already marked 40, 40, so this will also be 40. But this is just 2, so what will it be? 16, 2 times 8. So basically this one is going to be 3 times 40 plus 16, and that is going to give me 136 cows. And then the next one, it's Thursday. Let's first go to the picture. So remember, this is 40, 40, 40. And this is just one part of the 5. So this will just be 8. So this is going to be, okay, so it was 1, 2, 3. So it's again 3 times 40 plus the 8. And that will be 128 cows. And then on Friday, okay, and now this one is going to be, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's, remember, 4 was 32. So this one is 32. So it's going to be, again, 3 times the 40 plus the 32. And that's going to be 152 cows. Okay, and then the next one, number B. What percentage of the total number of cows were slaughtered on Wednesday? So just take Wednesday. There's Wednesday, okay? And now we're just going to work out, but now we first have to find the total cows. So say total cows slaughtered. And this is going to be the 160, I'm just adding up all that. So it's 160 plus 104 plus 136 plus 128 plus 152. And that will give me a total of 680. So then Wednesday, it's making it a percentage, 136 over 680. Multiply 100%, and that will give me 20%. So if I want to say how many, okay, we can just say 20% cows, okay, cows were slaughtered on Wednesday. Okay, something like that. And then the last one, just move it up a little bit. And then the last one is number C. How many cows were slaughtered over 4 weeks if this pattern continues? It's basically say just 680. It's 4 weeks, so times 4, that will give me 2720. So therefore, 2720 cows slow. Let me just correct that. In 4 weeks. And that's my final answer.